Good morning, ladies and gents. So this morning we're going to be doing a midnight, just over midnight, going to 1 o'clock tutorial, and today we're going to be showing you turn your, if you've got a broken laptop lying around, turn your 55-inch Sony TV into a tablet and a Windows computer. So without further ado, let's see what's involved. Just a quick backstory of this laptop I'm going to show you, because it's a laptop. Next door neighbour's brother had smashed the screen. So originally when I got this, the screen was on it, and what had happened was, someone must have been using it and then must have done something to the screen. But anyway, it was a strobe light for a while. This screen is floating around somewhere. I don't know if it's in there. No, I've moved it. But I took the screen off and just used a HDMI cable. And I've also got a wireless receiver for a keyboard and mouse. So that's all. Can sit on my couch. So this has got Android and Windows on it. Android 8.1 Oreo and Windows 8.1 Professional 64-bit. 4 gigs of RAM. Dual core, but it's got a faster spinning hard drive. So yeah, plan to put a solid state in there later. So it's got to plug everything in. Got the LAN cable, because she's hardwired to the modem, which has got a NAS server, which might as well have a look when we launch Windows. So this is a bit of a lengthy tutorial. So first of all, plugging in the charger. Actually, where's that bit? Now we'll plug in the LAN cable. And then next we'll plug in the HDMI cable. So this has still got 2 USB ports spare in case I need to use them, but I pretty much don't. After I've done the installations, it's pretty much, gets everything off the NAS. So I'll turn the TV back on, and then we'll turn this on too. And we'll get the wireless keyboard. Okay, so we'll launch Windows just to see if it'll. It's only because I've plugged in the HDMI, so just got to recognise it again. Oh, there we go. So we got 1246. So we got Windows 8.1 ET. We'll just log in. Everyone knows a good old computer. This had Windows 10, but I downgraded it because of the bloatware and everything in it, and also the how it's spelt. I like 8.1. So just there, 55-inch screen, HD. Just get the mouse, get the desktop. Over here we've got network storage, so this will be I've got 2 1TB hard drives under there plugged to the modem, so it's got a modem NAS server, which is also hosting the internet, which is in a hidden Wi-Fi network. Bit of a setup. So yeah, that's what I mean. Pretty much I probably won't need the USB ports. So just your average computer, Microsoft Word, Excel. Got the wireless printer sitting up in the corner, and that cupboard by the door. Yeah, that's also got a wire hooked up to here too, so we can think so. A bit of a home office, but we'll restart because everyone sort of is normally into Windows, but we'll go to one that people don't usually see, and that's an Android system on it. So let's restart her. Just wait for it. This time it'll come up because the HDMI cord was plugged in. Oh no, it's not going to come up, but we'll just go to Android anyway. And everyone is probably thinking, hey, how do you know? Well, there we go. We've got to get our result now. There we go. Android. So it's a big tablet. Let's have a look at it. Let's have a look, skis. So yeah, this is running Android 8.1 release 1, 64-bit version of Oreo. So yeah, it's my cat. Wow, cat, what are you doing? Hey, stop it! Ah, hey. Still loading, so that's why I'm looking at my cat. Calm down, mate. So back to the tutorial. Here we go. We've got Android thinged up. So it's not touchscreen, of course. So we'll just hit charge. And now I'll enter the password. Put you down. Okay. Oh, it's gone off just a second. This thing is playing up a bit. Yep. So I'll just enter the password. So, as you can see, she is a 55-inch tablet with 10 to 1 in the morning. There we go, we've got all your popular apps, Messenger. So this is sort of like a go-go stick laptop too, so you can say I got a bit of a go-go stick. But it's not a stick, it's a go-go laptop. Dual booting, my dad. So yeah, this is a full-fledged tablet, pull down notifications. This is connected through a LAN cable, so Wi-Fi will stay disconnected. Oh, there you go, it's making noise. So yeah, it's a fully fledged thing. So if we could, if I show you too, go to Play Store. Boom, Google Play Store. Scroll down with your mouse, scroll up and down with your mouse, wireless mouse. Right, I've never tried this with the thing, so I'm going to play an old school game. I'll just quickly install it now. It's called Subway Surf. I'll just see what the because I haven't got games on here. No. So we'll see what this is like. Just want to test it. Oh, before I do, I better turn off and on my TV because my home theatre system sort of. It's a funny setup when you got Sony and Panasonic mixed together, so just turn it back on. Yeah. There you go, home theatre system's kicked in. So open. And the cool thing about this is it goes portrait. When it goes landscape and portrait, it doesn't change the rotation. So Subway Surf wants super user permissions. No, we don't want to give it super user permissions. Okay, so what do we do? Choose our character. Yeah, that is our character G. What? I didn't choose us another one. I'm just trying to suss this out. Okay. This game doesn't want to interact, or we're not getting nowhere. No, we're not getting nowhere on that. Oh well, at least we tried. But another cool feature that once I find the mouse, there it is, that I've got that I brought. Um, that sort of might thing, sort of make people do this is well 5 minutes is free for doing it, but I bought the app for about I think it was like $7.50 New Zealand dollars, and this app is called Cast Receiver. So pretty much it does YouTube and Netflix fantastic, and I'll demonstrate that. So so what this does is it simulates a Chromecast. So that's the name of the thing. That's just enabled. That always runs when this computer switches on in Android mode, and let's just use the codec HW suite. So that's pretty much all you do on this side. So now what we're going to do is we're going to exit out of that, and we're going to grab the Samsung Galaxy S7, and we're going to launch my YouTube page. Oops. Okay, I've done too many fingerprints, so I have to. Oh, I've got to do me pattern. It's a bit of a lengthy tutorial, but we'll get there. So what we want to do is just get rid of those. Go to YouTube. So if we see the cast button, oh, we should see the cast button. There's the mouse dropping again, but I don't need it. So we go cast. See, Blatt is the home theatre system. So we want to do that. We want to go to here it is, ET's TV PC. And what will happen, should happen is YouTube. Yay! So look, it's pretty much looks like a Chromecast. Not or it doesn't work on all apps. It does work on YouTube. I'll play one of my other tutorials. There we go. It's one of me doing another Android one. So yeah, that works perfectly with YouTube. Not the Wi-Fi is in the modem. So I just had to bring the Wi-Fi is in the Wi-Fi chip. If we go to Netflix, we'll just let that play in the background. Just one of my tutorials. Let's just sign in. And if you go to see the cast feature here, ET's TV PC, voila, you got Netflix on the TV. You know. And if we just go popular on Netflix, random movie, we won't play it because of copyright reasons, but just to prove the point. Oh no, actually, it might still have a problem with Netflix. Disconnected, we'll see. Okay, so Netflix is up. Yes, it still has a problem with Netflix. They quite haven't fixed it yet, eh? Well, it's not a fully fledged Chromecast, but hey, I mean, one of the other features I use it pretty much for is the mirroring feature. That's why I pretty much like it too, because that means, like, I don't really use it for streaming and stuff, but the mirroring feature I definitely use. So that works flawlessly. So pretty much anything I play, I probably could actually cheat, technically. I can probably technically cheat, just saying I can't cast. But I'll cheat and see if this does work. Ah. There you go, I'm technically cheating. It's Netflix mirror. So I guess there is ways to do things. I can probably do the same with YouTube, but that means just keeping this phone on somewhere. That's alright. She's still seamless, and it still does the job, and that's why I like mirroring at the end of the day. And since it's connected to a LAN cable, you'll actually get the best connection. And this is on the 5 gigahertz, so it's getting the fastest connection as possible. But yeah, no, that's pretty much how you can spice up your entertainment system if you've got a broken screen laptop that actually technically still works. You can redo up. And yeah, no, I just thought I'd do this for you guys. But yeah, you've been listening to Rob E.T. And until next time, you have a good day or a good night. And ciao ciao.